What's going on, everyone, and welcome to RPM Detailing. Today guys, I'll be bringing you a product review of an engine degreaser by CarKit. I had seen this brand in a few shops that sell car accessories. This was dirt cheap and I thought I'd give it a shot. I had never used them and I want to see how this actually works, because it might work really well. It might work better than some of the well-known detailing brands, or it might be worth its money, which is nothing. Pretty much, it was only like, what, maybe I think it was £2.50 or something like that. So for a detailing product, that's honestly nothing. The engine degreaser that I usually use, it's around £9 for a 500ml bottle, which is the same as this one. So today I'll be doing an engine bay detail on a Vauxhall Corsa, and it should work just like any other engine degreaser or engine bay detailer, cleaner, whatever you want to call them. And it says for the best results, use when engine is slightly warm. So we're going to start the car up. I will do a before and after, obviously. So we're going to start the car up and let it run for about 2 to 3 minutes, as it's quite warm outside. So yeah, and I'll show you guys the engine bay, how it's looking now. Alright guys, so now that the engine has been warmed up slightly, we're going to get started. So I'm going to be using the engine degreaser by CarKit along with a detailing brush and some microfiber cloths. I will not be using any water, so I'll show you guys the process. I won't be doing any commentary over it, as they're starting construction on my street, so you guys won't be able to hear me anyway. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so a little bit of a voiceover. Sorry, I'm just giving the bottle a quick shake, and my rag fell down. So, but yeah, just gonna spray it on liberally on the engine cover and all the other parts, and also on the detailing brush. And I'm just gonna work it in and agitate all of the grime and dirt. Basically, it could probably work better if I would use water on it, but usually the way that I work when I'm doing an engine bay detail is I only use water when it's absolutely necessary. So if the engine bay is absolutely bugging, it's a total disaster, then yes, I will use low pressure water. But if I don't need to, I try to avoid it, and I just basically work a little bit longer on it and you will get the same results. But on this, I literally only spend between 5 and 10 minutes. I was just wanting to test the product out on how well it works. I was doing this on my own car, so I had a little bit of spare time, so I thought I would give it a try. Obviously, if I'm doing a customer's car, it's a different process. Obviously, it's full on, but I just basically wanted to test the product out and see how it is. And to be honest guys, it does the job. Obviously you will need to use a little bit more product if you would like to get the same results as you would with, let's say, Auto Finesse engine bay cleaner. You will need to use a lot more of this than you would with that product, but overall it's not bad. As you can see, I got a lot of the dust and grime off. I did leave out a few wires just so I can give you guys a comparison. So this is before, and beside it there is an after right here. So yes, there is still some grime left, but on the rubber hoses I did pretty good. and obviously there is a before and there is an after, but yeah, overall I would give this a 6 out of 10, and yeah, it's definitely worth a try. It's not the worst, it's not the best, but it can be usable. It can be used in an engine bay detail, honestly guys. I can't remember the proper price. I think it was around £2 or £2.50. It's definitely worth the money. It just means that you will have to do a little bit more work. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, comment. Leave my Instagram in the description below as always. And yeah, I will finish off getting this engine bay looking the way that it should be looking. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one.